Today is another boiling hot day and I'm meeting Lucas to try something new. So we are going to try pottery making. I'm not really sure how it works, whether we just do the pottery and paint on a different day, but that's the plan. So we'll see how it goes. I think I will be really bad at it. Maybe I'll do that type of thing. Or maybe actually this one. Someone was very brave to give me a blowtorch. After spinning the clay into our pots, it was now time to decorate. I decided to make a design with Chinese mountains, although it did take an extremely long time. I found the whole process very relaxing, although the perfectionist in me was not happy until it was almost perfect. When painting, we were advised to only go over each stroke once to avoid spottiness. This was easier said than done when the mountains were this small. Yeah, there's the clue.
Yeah, there it is.
So funny. So I've just come back and I got my pottery. It's okay, it's not a masterpiece, but it's better than nothing. I really didn't do well on the paint job. Oops. Summer is slowly turning into autumn, so Eva and I met up to have a nice rooftop dinner
although the weather wasn't to plan. This may be the last rooftop bar of the season, as the rain came down and we got a little bit wet.
We have to move. We have to. Are you?
Despite the rain, we had a lovely evening and really enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching, and join us next episode on Expat Now.